So I'd like to run through with you the difference between a non-resident for tax purposes and a resident for tax purposes in Australia. So many of you who use the easytaxback.com website are non-residents. So you've come to Australia doing some work. You might be picking fruit, working as a barista or in a restaurant as a waiter. And what's important to understand is that any income that you earn in Australia while you're here must be declared to the Australian Taxation Office, and you have to lodge an income tax return in a given year. Our tax year in Australia is from the 1st of July through to the 30th of June the following year. So the last tax year that we completed was 30 June 2019. If you're a non-resident for tax purposes, so you're only here visiting or on a working visa, you don't have to declare your other non-Australian sourced income. So if you come from Italy or England or wherever that might be, that's relevant in your own country, not in Australia. But if you're a resident for tax purposes in Australia, so you spend more than 183 days here in a given 12-month period, or you're an Australian citizen, permanent resident, you must declare all of your income from all worldwide sources, not just Australian sources. So you might have some Apple shares or some shares in the US. You might have done some work overseas and then come to Australia, back to Australia. We have to declare all that income. We even have some clients that have foreign properties in France and places like that, where they have to declare the income in Australia and pay tax on that income in Australia. So hopefully that's useful. Our live chat function, and also to Ashley, our Easy Tax Back customer care manager, she can answer any questions that you've got if you had more questions on residency as well.